Go on. That's good. Okay, so this is a pine, old white pine log, and what I did is I carved the two pieces out, and I did 3 add-ons for you carvers out there who are interested in this. So I did an add-on with this wing, and this wing were all add-ons, and I just used Gorilla Glue screws until it was dry, and then I put some dowel rods through so I could finish carving and I could pull the screws out.
Good.
Okay, so I just wanted to show you what tools I used. To do the blocking, I just used a big 18, 20-inch bar with the regular chain, and then I moved to a 14-inch quarter tip bar to do most of the carving, and then most of it's chainsaw, and then I go to an Arbortech mini grinder to flush out these details, to carve out the roundness of the eyes, that type of stuff, detail work around the mouth, and use the angle grinder to get it all smooth and shaped out. And then used a hand torch to burn it, and used a die grinder with this little round bit to make the markings after it was burned. And I also used this soft sanding tool on the die grinder to make more markings here. And this is a great soft sanding tool to get the concaves smooth. And finally I used Dremels to get all the little details. So on the eyeballs, I use a Dremel bit that's just a cylinder with slots in it. And I come in there, hit the eyes. I'll use a little Kutzall, I don't know what you call it, a spike, to make the nose holes. And I also used this to define some of the lines on the turtle shell. Yeah, both of these on this part here, I used the to get this pattern here, that grid pattern, I used the Dremels to carve those lines in. And finished it up with Arbor Coat. What's the name of it? 32610 Arbor Coat from Benjamin Moore. And I like the, it's called Natural. So that's what it's coated with.